Today we are going to start a topic so called ages. Okay, yeah, very simple topic and also very important topic and a scoring topic, right? First, for every topic, okay, quant lo చూసుకుంటే ఏ టాపిక్ అయినా కూడా ఫస్ట్ యూ నీడ్ టు గెట్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్ ఓకే ఎస్ ఇయర్ జనరలీ ఐ యూస్ టు ఆస్క్ సమ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇన్ ద క్లాస్ ఓకే నార్మల్ ఆఫ్లైన్ క్లాసెస్లో సమ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతూ ఉంటాను ఓకే ద బేసిక్ క్వశ్చన్స్ రైట్ ఎస్ ఇయర్ ఈ టాపిక్ పరంగా చూసుకుంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ వాట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఏజ్ ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ వాట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఏజ్ అని అడుగుతాను ఓకే ఎస్ డెఫినెట్లీ ఐ విల్ గెట్ సమ్ డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ ఆన్సర్స్ ఓకే సార్ మై ఏజ్ ఈస్ 20 సార్ మై ఏజ్ ఈస్ 25 సార్ మై ఏజ్ ఈస్ 30 సార్ మై ఏజ్ ఈస్ 50 ఓకే సార్ ఐఎమ్ స్టిల్ 16 సార్ ఐఎమ్ స్టిల్ 16 అంటారండి ఓకే ఎస్ ఇయర్ సో ఇన్ సమ్ కేసెస్ సమ్ పీపుల్ వోంట్ say their age also okay because of they may feel shy okay so కొంతమంది ఆన్సర్స్ కూడా ఇవ్వరండి ఓకే సో కీపింగ్ ఇట్ అపార్ట్ aside ఎస్ ఇయర్ ఏజ్ అనగా నేను చెప్తాము నార్మల్గా 25 అనుకుందామండి లెట్ us assume మై ఏజ్ ఈస్ 30 ఓకే ఎస్ ఇయర్ 30 అని ఎలా చెప్తామండి మనం సో మీరు పుట్టిన రోజు నుంచి ఓకే ఈ రోజు వరకు ఓకే ఎన్ని డేస్ ఉన్నాయి ఎన్ని ఇయర్స్ ఉన్నాయి అవన్నీ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసి చెప్తారండి ఓకే సో దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఏజ్ ఓకే ఇది కాన్సెప్ట్ దీన్ని మనం ఫ్రేమ్ చేద్దాం ఒక డెఫినేషన్గా అలా ఎలా అంటే సియర్ ద టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఇయర్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ద డే యు బార్న్ టు టిల్ డేట్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ యువర్ ఏజ్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ యువర్ ఏజ్ ఓకే ఎస్ ఇయర్ క్వాంట్లో ద బెస్ట్ షార్ట్ కట్ మీరు షార్ట్ కట్ కావాలంటారు కదా ఓకే ద బెస్ట్ షార్ట్ కట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఓకే అండ్ ద బెస్ట్ షార్ట్ కట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు అజ్యూమ్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ ఇన్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ okay that is the best shortcut okay see already I said we are discussing whatever we do it outside okay so the same thing we are going to reflect here okay so problem లో చూడకండి మీరు ఇన్వాల్వ్ అవ్వండి ప్రాబ్లంలో ఓకే అప్పుడు ఇంకా త్వరగా అర్థమవుతుంది ప్రాబ్లం అనేది రైట్ yes here the definition of age can be given as the total number of years from the day you born to till date is nothing but your age okay yeah next thing is nothing but we need to know the terminology okay so manaki problems చేసేటప్పుడు కొన్ని different terms వస్తుంటాయండి so that we need to get the terminology okay yes here now we'll see the terminology so I think you all know about all this terminology I think yes here so past one is nothing but past and second thing is nothing but present and third thing is nothing but future okay past in the sense it talks about the previous time okay present is nothing but it talks about the present time which is going on okay and the future it talks about the future time okay yeah next thing is nothing but ago right ago in the sense it talks about the past ago in the sense it talks about the past okay next thing is nothing but hence okay hence అనే వాళ్ళం అండి చిన్నప్పుడు hence okay so hence అంటే ఏంటంటే it talks about future so here ago is nothing but it talks about past and hence is nothing but it talks about future okay yeah next thing is nothing but later okay it is not a latter it is nothing but later okay there is a difference between latter and later okay yes here latter ante entandi the next one అని అర్థం okay later okay దాని తర్వాత అని అర్థం okay so later in the sense it talks about future okay it talks about future okay especially in regards of time okay yes here so next thing is nothing but elder next thing is nothing but younger and next one is older younger older okay you need to know the basics okay yes here so elder everybody know that elder in the sense in terms of age this person some person is bigger one okay just here younger in the sense the person in terms of age he is nothing but smaller okay and next thing is nothing but older right older ante normally not I mean that the person's more than 50 like that okay old people antarandi what that is absolutely wrong right yes here normally this elder and younger will be used in blood relationship okay especially elder younger will be used in blood relationship okay but see here this older will be used out of blood relationship out of blood relationship. Okay, but see here, elder in the sense age paranga chuskunte bigger andi, so older in the sense this is also same meaning, both will be having a same meaning. Okay, but elder used in blood relationship, but older will be used in a out of blood relationship. Okay, yes, here these terms you have to know, the basic terms, right? This is nothing but the basic terminology. Okay, yeah, next we'll go with the some different points. Okay, so where you people used to commit the mistakes. Okay, so దీంట్లో పెద్ద కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏం లేదండి, జస్ట్ మీరు ఎక్కడెక్కడ మిస్టేక్స్ చేస్తారో అవే డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ఓకే, జస్ట్ హియర్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డిస్కస్ ద పాయింట్స్ వేర్ యూ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు కమిట్ ద మిస్టేక్స్, ఓన్లీ దోస్ థింగ్స్ విల్ డిస్కస్ హియర్. ఓకే, దెర్ ఈస్ నో that much deep concept here. Okay, yeah, that we'll see. Yeah, see here, the very first point is, so let us consider there are two persons, one is A and one is B. Let us consider there are two persons, one is A and one is B, right? Yes, here at present their ages are 10 years and 15 years respectively. Okay, yes, here present ages of A and B. Okay, so present age of A is 10 years and present age of B is 15 years. Okay, yes, here after 15 years then their ages will become how much? Okay, yes, here, so this guy will move 5 years forward, means it will become how much? 15, and this guy will move forward, so this will become how much? 20. Okay, yes, here then what are the respective ages after another 5 years? After another 5 years, in the sense this guy will move another 5 years. Okay, so that will become how many years? 20 years. In the same way, this guy will move some another 5 years, so that will become how much? 25 years. That will become 25 years. Okay, then see here, just to find out the ratio, so this will become how much? Some 5 2s are 5 3s are. Next, so this will become 5 3s and 5 4s, and this will become 5 4s and 5 5s. Okay, yes, here initial present ratio is 2:3, and next after 5 years that ratio will become how much? 3:4, and that ratio will next another 5 years the same ratio will become how much? 4:5. Okay, means I can conclude one point, whenever you are moving into future or whenever you are moving forward, okay, the ratio in terms of number, it is increasing. Okay, the ratio in terms of number, it is increasing. Okay, yeah, see here, now you go to past. Okay, so 5 years past kellandi, so appudu emotundi, so A will become 5 years, in the same way B will become how many years? 10 years. Okay, just to calculate the ratio, what's the ratio here? You are going to get 1:2. Okay, so the ratio is nothing but how much? 1:2. Okay, see here, whenever you are moving backward, okay, whenever you are moving backward or past, okay, so the ratio is decreasing in terms of number. Okay, so the ratio is decreasing in terms of number. Okay, so here I want to conclude one point here. Whenever you move forward, the ratio in terms of number must be increased. Whenever you move backward, the ratio in terms of number must be decreased. Okay, so this is the first point I want to convey, right? Yeah, next, second point, let us assume there are two persons. Okay, one is A and one is B. Okay, you see here, so today, okay, at present the sum of the ages of these two persons is 56. Okay, the sum of the ages of these two persons is 56. Let us assume. Okay, today, I mean that at present the sum of the ages of A and B is equal to 56. Okay, yes, here if I ask a question like this, what will be the sum of the ages of the same two persons? Okay, what will be the sum of the ages of the same two persons after 6 years? After 6 years. Okay, so I can get some answers. Okay, so here that is 56 plus 6, the sum will become how much? 62. Okay, generally I used to get some answers like this. Okay, but this is absolutely wrong. Okay, because of here there are two persons here. Okay, if there is a single person, your answer will be right. For 56, you add 6, you will be getting 62. Okay, but see here, how many persons are there here? Here there are two persons. Means, see here, this A will move 6 years forward. In the same time, B won't sit there. Okay, so definitely he will be moving forward. He will be moving forward 6 years. He will be moving forward 6 years. Okay, then I can say that the sum of the ages of these two persons will become how much? 56 plus you have to add this 6 and you have to add this 6. Okay, so this will become how many years? 68 years. 68 years. Okay, you have to be very careful. Okay, let's see here there are two persons. Okay, for example, the same question I can write it another way. So let us assume there are three persons. Okay, one is A and one is B and one is C. The sum of their ages is some 60. Let us assume some 60. Let us assume. Okay, so right now the sum of the age of A, B, C is 60 years. Right? Let's see here after 3 years. After 3 years, okay, what will be the sum of the age of the same three persons? Okay, in the sense, after 3, in the sense, they're talking about future, means this guy will move 3 years forward. In the same way, this guy will move 3 years forward. In the same way, this guy will move 3 years forward. Okay, then I can say that the sum of the ages of these three persons can be given as 60 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Total value will become how much? 60 plus 9. So this value will become how much? 69. 69. Okay, you have to be very careful, right? You see here, the same question can be asked in a different way. Okay, you see here, there are two persons, one is A and B. Right now, the sum of the age of A and B is 56. Okay, but here my question is, what will be the sum of their ages 5 years ago? 5 years ago, right? You see here, right now, these two persons are there. One is A and one is B. Their sum is nothing but how much right now? The sum is 56. Right, the sum is 56. Okay, but what's the question is asking? What will be the sum of their ages? The two 5 years ago. Okay, 5 years ago ante this A person A will move backward 5 years. In the same way, person B will move backward 5 years. Okay, in the same way, I can conclude that the sum of the ages of the respective persons 5 years ago can be given as 56. So minus 5 and minus 5. Okay, so then your answer will become how much? 46. Then your answer will become how much? 46. Okay, you see here, first thing is nothing but if you ask for forward, you have to add. Okay, if you ask for backward, you have to subtract, and you have to be very careful how that you have to count the number of persons. Okay, so entamandi persons unnaro adi me chusukovali. Okay, you see here, for example, 3 persons are there, right? You see here, this question you see here, the sum of the ages of 3 persons at present it is 60. At present it is 60. Okay, so 3 years back, what is the sum? 3 years back, what is the sum? Okay, means this guy has to move 3 years backward, and this guy 3 years backward, and in the same way this guy 3 years backward. Okay, so 60 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3, so this value will become how much? 51. So this value will become how much? 51. Okay, see here I have taken some 4 examples. And I cleared the basic mistake that you are going to commit in the exam. Okay, you have to be very careful, right? Yeah. Next one, we'll go with the next point. And this is also very important point. Right? Yeah. See here, real-time application. See, so let us consider family. Me family anukondi, right? So it is your family, right? In your family, one brother is there and one sister is there. Okay, yes, here right now their ages are some 20 and sister ka age is some 15 years. Let us assume the age of brother is 20 years and the age of sister is 15 years. Okay, me intlone anukondi. Okay, so my brother is enta 20, my sister is enta 15. Okay, so then who is elder here? Elder is nothing but brother. Okay, so younger is nothing but sister anukundam ee case lo aithe. Okay, yes, here, so what is the difference between the ages of brother and sister? Means right now there is a difference of 5 years. Okay, so ee roju variddari madhyalo difference ఎంత ఉందంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ 5 years ఉంది. Here there is a difference of 5 years between brother and sister. Okay, yes, here I'm going to ask a question, that is, what will be the difference? Okay, what will be the difference between brother and sister after 10 years? Okay, so normally what we'll do here, so this guy will move 10 years forward. Okay, then the brother age will become how much? 30 years. Okay, yes here. So she will move 10 years forward, 10 years forward, then our age will become how much? 25. Our age will become how much? 25. After 10 years, the brother age is 30 and the sister age is 25. Okay, now check the difference. The difference is nothing but how much? 5 years. 5 years. Okay, yes here, just go backward, for example, just you get the difference between the brother and sister 5 years back. 5 years back in the sense this brother has to move some 5 years backward, means his age will become how much? 15. His age will become how much? 15. Okay, then this girl has to move 5 years back, means her age will become how much? 10 years. Now check the difference. Difference will be 5 years. Difference will be 5 years. Okay, yes here, maybe 10 years after, okay, maybe after 30 years, maybe after 60 years, maybe after 100 years, maybe after 200 years, maybe after 1 crore years also. Okay, hypothesis condition, right? ఎందుకంటే 1 crore వరకు ఎవరు బతకరండి. బట్ here, whatever may be the thing, okay, yes here I want to convey that the difference between the ages of any two persons, will be same throughout the life. Okay, మీ లైఫ్ ఉన్నంత వరకు the difference between the ages of any two persons will be same. Okay, so that point I want to convey that. Okay, this is also very important point.